Today we bring you urgent news as a powerful 7.5 magnitude earthquake has struck western Japan. The United States Geological Survey, USGS, and the Japan Meteorological Agency have confirmed the seismic activity. Tsunami warnings are in effect along coastal regions of western Japan, prompting authorities to issue evacuation orders. Reports indicate that initial tsunami waves, reaching heights of 1.2 meters, 4 feet, and under, have already impacted various areas along Japan's western coast. Significant damage has been inflicted on roads and buildings, disrupting transport and communication services. Officials are cautioning residents about potential power outages affecting thousands of households. The earthquake, with a depth of 10 kilometers, 6 miles, occurred at 4:10 p.m. local time northeast of Anamizu in Ishikawa Prefecture, according to the USGS. A series of aftershocks have been reported, and Japan's weather agency is warning that these could persist over the next 3 days to a week, adding to the challenges faced by affected communities. Now let's delve into why Japan experiences a high frequency of earthquakes. It's not a coincidence. It's deeply rooted in the geological dynamics of the region. Japan sits on the Pacific Ring of Fire, a horseshoe-shaped zone notorious for its seismic activity due to the movement of several tectonic plates. The Pacific Plate subduct beneath the Philippine Sea Plate, causing intense geological activity. This subduction creates deep ocean trenches and triggers frequent earthquakes. Moreover, Japan is situated at the convergence of 4 major plates: the Pacific, Philippine Sea, Eurasian, and North American plates. The interactions among these plates result in the formation of faults and subduction zones, contributing to the seismic vulnerability of the region. In addition to plate tectonics, the complex network of active faults within Japan, such as the Nankai Trough, adds to the earthquake risk. Japan's susceptibility to earthquakes is a consequence of its unique geological setting. The collision and subduction of tectonic plates, combined with an intricate fault network, make seismic events an inherent part of life in this region. In the past 10 years, Japan has faced the formidable forces of nature, with seismic events leaving an indelible mark on its landscape. Let's rewind to April 14, 2016, when the Kumamoto region on the island of Kyushu experienced a seismic jolt, registering a magnitude of 7.0. The tremors originating deep within the earth resulted in multiple casualties, and left a trail of destruction across buildings and infrastructure. But that was just the beginning. 2 years later, on June 18, 2018, the city of Osaka faced its own trial. A magnitude 6.1 earthquake centered in northern Osaka shook the foundations of the region. The casualties were significant, and older structures, unprepared for the ferocity of the quake, crumbled under the pressure. Yet, the seismic saga didn't end there. Rewind a few years to March 11, 2011, when Japan experienced a catastrophic event that would reverberate through time: the Tohoku earthquake. With a staggering magnitude of 9.0, this geological giant triggered a massive tsunami, unleashing its fury along the northeastern coast of Japan. The waves of destruction were not only physical, but also led to the infamous Fukushima Daiichi nuclear disaster, leaving a scar on the nation's soul. These earthquakes, each more powerful than the last, have tested Japan's resilience and determination. As we reflect on the past decade, let us not only remember the destruction but also the strength and unity that emerged from the rubble. Nature may test the foundations, but the human spirit rebuilds. Our thoughts are not just with those affected by the recent earthquake, but with the resilient communities rising from the rubble, the heroes on the front lines, and the spirit of solidarity that binds us all. Nature's spectacle is awe-inspiring, but its impact is real.